Hey everyone, and welcome to today's episode. If you're learning a new language, you've probably come across a few methods that didn't quite work as well as you hoped. In today's episode, we're going to talk about 10 common mistakes that can slow down your progress in language learning and how to avoid them. By the end of this episode, we'll have a clear understanding of what to look out for and, more importantly, how to approach your language learning in a more efficient and enjoyable way. So let's dive in. Learning individual words. One of the biggest mistakes is memorizing words in isolation. While vocabulary is essential, learning words without context makes it harder to recall them in real conversations. Better approach? Learn words in phrases or full sentences to understand how they fit naturally into speech. Example, instead of memorizing sleep, learn I'm going to sleep because I have to wake up early tomorrow. Learning sentences that are too short. Many learners start with very short, unnatural sentences like I go sleep or I eat apple. While simple phrases might seem useful, they don't prepare you for real-life conversations. Let's check out the difference between short and long sentences.
Conducted an operation that killed Osama bin Laden.
Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi is dead.
The United States launched a targeted operation against that compound.
They did a lot of shooting and they did a lot of blasting. Knock, knock, may I come in?
After a firefight, they killed Osama bin Laden and took custody of his body.
He died like a dog.
But his death does not mark the end of our effort.
A beautiful dog.
Better approach? Learn more complex and useful structures that you can adapt to different situations. Example, instead of I eat apple, try I'm eating an apple because I'm hungry after work. Lack of variety in learning methods. Many learners search for one perfect method and stick to it, expecting fast results. But relying on a single method limits your progress and doesn't fully engage your brain. Better approach? Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Try watching movies with and without subtitles. Reading books, articles, or comics in the target language. Writing daily journal entries. Using AI tools or translators to create and refine your content. Speaking with native speakers or language partners. The key is to mix different learning styles so your brain absorbs the language in multiple ways. Learning without feedback. If you study alone without any corrections, you risk repeating the same mistakes and slowing your progress. Many learners don't realize they've been pronouncing words incorrectly for years.
Alright, well, it seems pretty simple. Your first line is, my name is Claude, so just repeat after me. Je m'appelle Claude.
Je découpe plow.
Let's try it again.
Okay.
Je m'appelle Claude.
Je déplie blue.
Huh. It's not quite what I'm saying.
Really? Sounds exactly the same to me.
Better approach? Use AI speech analysis tools for pronunciation feedback. Thank you for watching this first episode of the 10 Mistakes series. The remaining mistakes will be revealed later, but for now, are you ready for a challenge? A Polish version of this video will appear here soon. How much do you think you'll be able to understand? Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when it's ready.